Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about gamification in XR. What is gamification? Gamification is the application of game design elements and game principles in non-game context. Commonly used game design elements to improve engagement, learning, and training. Here are some game elements that can be used in the apps for increasing the notifications. First one is skateboarding in teaching. By breaking down the goals into small steps, users can achieve goals from easy to hard, step by step. Yeah, so it's easier for users to learn. Second, it provides outcomes and feedback. Learners can connect with their friends for problem solving or competition. The third one is gamification also has the rewarding system. By following the rules, learners can get rewards which encourage them to achieve more and increase their motivation while learning. The fourth one, it increases problem-solving skills. Learners will learn the strategic problem-solving skills and get instant feedback through games. Here are some examples for gamification in XR. First one is job simulator. Players can perform a series of real and comical tasks to achieve job goals in a fun way. Yeah, it's a VR game. And the second one is called Kerbal Space Program. It is a space flight simulation game which allows users to build and launch their rockets in order to explore the universe. Kerbal Space Program, it's a really popular video games. I think it's going to be in XR pretty soon. Okay, so interested in learning more about XR in games, please join our webinar. And want to have a free 30 minutes XR consultation with me, please email me hummingbirdstay@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.